How are you guys? Right then, into Hwa-Rang pattern details number 4. So I took a 2-minute break and I forgot what I was doing. This is detail number 4. This is the the sequence that goes from the centre point of Hwa-Rang up towards the end. Now it's quite a long sequence. I'm going to do it sort of going away from camera, so I'll do the whole pattern from start to where we're going to go to. But I want to highlight the details of it, and I'll go side to side so you can see the footwork and things like that. Right, so chariot, into chumbi, into my chumbi, okay, and then we'll go from there. I'm going to walk through it so that anyone that's doing this at home or copying on this video, you've got reminders to get to the halfway point, and then we'll do the end section. Okay, so go to your left with your left, claw, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down to the front, into that downward block, punch, grab and drag, kick out into that chop, 1 punch, 2 punch, and then we turn out into that knife block. I know you probably can't see it, I don't know on the camera at the minute. Into that guard, 1 round kick, 2 round kick, guard. Okay. Now the section from there, I'll move back a bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, is you step towards the back with your left standard downward block, same as the one you did when you came. From there, do not move your feet. Okay, you're going to shuffle into a back stance. Okay, I'll step backwards and turn out. Okay, but I'm not stepping anywhere. I go from here to there and I square up my shoulders. Okay, now I'm going to do 2 more of those. Step, back stance, reverse punch, square up my shoulders. Here, cross block. Now there is a detail difference in here. You'll see I take guys go forwards into their elbow. We do not. We go backwards. So the turn leads into the elbow strike. It just makes more sense. Okay. Around here. Feet come in, feet together. 1, 2, hands high. 1, 2. Knife blocks to finish. Okay, finish. Okay, long section. I don't need to break down the end section of this pattern because it's just 2 knife blocks. It's easy peasy. Okay. So, as I say, I'm going to do that section that way so that you can see it from the side and see my stance changes. Okay, I'm still going to start from the very beginning. I'm just going to start walking through it. Okay, so there's no confusion of where I am, what I'm doing. Okay, and you do that downward block to the front, into punch, drag, kick, chop, 1 punch, 2 punch. A bit close that way myself. Double knife hand block, spear, turn and guard, 1 round kick, 2 round kick, pattern guard. Okay, so here we go. Off to the back. Front stance, downward block, lean back, back stance, and second, and third, cross block, rear turn, into elbow, and then we go left foot rear turn into that double. 1, 2. Right hand high, left hand high. Okay? It ends left hand high because my left hand will become my knife block at the front, and then a step across to knife block to finish. Okay? The only real details we desperately need to cover in that section that I want people to make sure they get right is 1, having square shoulders on those punches. So the first one in particularly, you should be stand. Here you go, your shoulders and waist round, so you're square. You're square. Most of our back stance stuff is like lead hand dominant. So my front hand is out for a knife block, say, beginning of tag A, the low stuff at the end of tag A. There's support blocks and stuff here from one yo. So it means that I've got my back stance here and my chest line sort of goes almost like it's going through the heels of my feet. I'm kind of 45-degree body angle. I'm not squared up. Whereas for these reverse punches, because it's a rear hand technique, you've got to turn into it. Okay? So I'm here, my chest is square in my front stance, that downward block, and I just literally move my chest back. And into that punch, I just sink that shoulder a little bit to wind, but then I'm just here for that punch. Then step, that shoulder stays back just a little bit, So I can drive in, and then keep your head up. Okay, my block is here, I'm looking where I'm going, because I'm prepping for that turn. Okay, make sure when you do come around for the elbow that's in the strike points down the line. Okay, my back stance goes that way, my elbow goes that way, and I look where I'm hitting. Folded elbows, kind of 45 degrees. I don't stick out like a chicken wing. Okay, it's in between. Okay, that goes that way, that goes that way. Okay, easy peasy. But that's my striking elbow. Okay, and then like I say, up for the double, right hand, left hand, and then out into the 2 knife blocks. And bits easy peasy. Okay, that's the details of that pattern today. And I'm going to go get something to eat because I am absolutely starving. Because I forgot to have breakfast this morning and it's now 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I need food. Keep going, guys. Keep practicing. If you see this in the next couple of days or in the next week while we're still in like lockdown and stuff, because it's the 20-something of June at the minute. I don't know what day it is. Again, I am still arranging more outdoor sessions for small groups of 5. So when you see that timetable come out, do let us know if you want to be in. Okay, thank you very much. Have fun, keep practicing. Stay safe.